Welcome to Computer-Aided Automation YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore the top 4 free game engines that support Python programming. Let's dive in. Python is a versatile programming language, popular among game developers for its simplicity and power. If you're a Python enthusiast looking to create games, here are 4 amazing free game engines you can use. First on our list is Pygame. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It includes computer graphics and sound libraries, making it perfect for simple 2D games. You can find more about Pygame at pygame.org. Next up is Panda3D. Panda3D is a game engine that includes graphics, audio, I/O, collision detection, and more, suitable for 3D games. It's highly versatile and backed by a strong community. Check it out at panda3d.org. Third is Renpy, a visual novel engine that uses Python. Renpy allows you to create visual novels and story-driven games with ease. It's popular for its simplicity and powerful scripting capabilities. Learn more at renpy.org. Renpy is particularly suited for visual novels, but it can also handle other types of games. Below is an example of an advanced visual novel game code in Renpy, including character interactions, choices, and some basic game mechanics. Renpy is a powerful visual novel engine that allows for the creation of interactive stories with complex branching narratives, rich multimedia support including images, animations, and sound, and comprehensive character management. Next, we'll be creating a simple collision detection game with a points system using OpenGL and Pyglet. Pyglet is a powerful library for creating games and other graphical applications in Python. In this tutorial, we'll build a basic game where you control a rectangular object and collect points by colliding with obstacles. A simple collision detection game with a points system using Pyglet. You can expand upon this by adding more features, such as different types of obstacles, levels, and improved graphics. We've explored 4 powerful game engines that support Python: Pygame, Panda3D, Renpy, and OpenGL Pyglet. Each engine offers unique features and capabilities that cater to different types of game development, from simple 2D games to complex 3D environments. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to choose the right tool for your next game development project. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.